Hey everybody, it's Matt here, and today I've been having some issues with my Ryobi string trimmer, mainly this handle. It does not stay anymore. Normally you just tighten this up after you've adjusted it and it'll stay in place. However, it now spins freely. So I don't know if you can see in here in the little bolt, what's going on is this has gotten threaded and so it won't do up anymore. So that means it's very difficult to actually hold on to this and use it safely. Fortunately, I found on Amazon you can get replacement handles for the Ryobi string trimmers. Now these handles do fit a whole bunch of different Ryobi string trimmers, so you definitely want to make sure you check the part number that you need for yours. But I found this one, it was the only one that actually has the whole clamp as well. I found a lot that just sell the handle that are a third-party model, but this one has the full clamp. We've got our clamp here. It has changed ever so slightly from the clamp that I had, mainly just in this piece here, but otherwise it is identical. So I thought I'd take you through how to actually replace the handle on your Ryobi string trimmer. So first up, you need to make sure you get yourself a replacement Ryobi string trimmer handle. If you don't have one of these, check out the affiliate links down in the description for where to get them on Amazon. It's the only place I've found them. And once you get that, come back here and we'll go through how to change it. So I'm assuming you've got that now. Thanks for using those affiliate links. I appreciate that. Let's have a look at the line trimmer itself and how to get the old handle off and then stick this new one on. Obviously we want to undo it first because mine's threaded. A little bit of force is required, but get that out. Handle off. It may not slide out easy. Depends on how tightly those teeth are locked in. If you have a bit of trouble, just pull the plastic apart on that clamp. Now I need to get it off, so we'll slide that downwards and we'll need to split these sections apart because it is held on quite firmly. So if we pull those, we should then be able to apply some downwards force and that'll come off. It does need a bit of force, don't be afraid to apply that. At the end of the day, it's broken anyway, right? So it doesn't matter if it breaks more. And then we want our new handle. So go ahead and take the bottom section off. Separate the handle from the clamp itself. So again, we're just going to slide that out and then we're going to take this piece and we want to put it on here. What we want to do is slide that up over the bars. We might need to pull those sides apart again, the same way we did for getting it off, but this time to get it on, and we're applying force upwards until that pops on. Next up, take your handle, make sure it's the right way around, and then you're going to slot that in to those teeth. Make sure the hole lines up for your screw. And then slot that through, and we can go ahead and do that up nice and tightly and start using our line trimmer with our new handle. Probably don't do it up too tight because that's probably how I stripped the teeth on the other one in the first place. And there we go, we've got our new handle on our line trimmer. Doesn't move around anywhere and we can start using it. Yay! That's it. It's really straightforward, really easy, and should help you get a bit more life out of the line trimmers. I know these are not built as solid, many of their petrol counterparts or their higher end electric models, but to be able to extend the life of it for much less than the cost of the whole thing is really nice and saves on waste. I hope you found this video helpful. Again, for more information and pricing on these, and of course to get one of these handles, check out the affiliate links down in the description. And of course give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Have an awesome day and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.